Hey guys, come with me to find out if our colleagues are Gen Z certified.
Hello.
Hi.
Can I test your Gen Z knowledge?
Sure.
What do you think it means to cap?
Means you lying.
Thanks. Hello.
Hi.
Can I test your Gen Z knowledge?
Okay.
What do you think it means when I say you're capping? Like cap.
You graduated?
When I say that's cap.
That's cap.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe top tier. That's the best.
Hello.
Hey,
Can I test your Gen Z knowledge?
sure.
What do you think cap means? Like when someone says you're capping, what do they mean?
Flip, man. I've got no clue.
Try.
I don't know, like you lying?
Perfect. You got it.